Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about the adverbs of frequency. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. An adverb of frequency is a word that describes how often an action happens. In this video, we will learn the words or the adverbs of frequency, their frequency in numerical terms, and we will also learn their usage with the help of examples. First adverb is always. We use it for 100% frequency. For example, she always speaks truth. That means she 100% speaks truth. Next is usually. Usually is used for 90% frequency. For example, I usually study at 6 a.m. That means I mostly study at 6 a.m. but sometimes I may study at any other time. Next adverb is frequently. Frequently is used for 80% frequency. For example, they frequently visit us. Next adverb is often. Often is used for 70% frequency. For example, he often works from home. Next adverb is sometimes. Sometimes is used for 50% frequency. For example, we sometimes eat out. Next adverb is occasionally. It is used for 30% frequency. For example, I occasionally watch movies. Next is rarely. Rarely is used for 10% frequency. For example, they rarely travel abroad. Next adverb is seldom. Seldom is used for 10% frequency. For example, he seldom misses a deadline. Next adverb is hardly ever. Hardly ever is used for 5% frequency. For example, she hardly ever eats junk. Last adverb, never. Never is used for 0% frequency. Something that never occurs. For example, they never arrive late. That means they are always on time.